Hello, it's Mama Mo. Welcome to part 3 of the Manitoulin Island series. It's always great to do some local shopping on any trip. In this video, I'll show you a glimpse of the local farmers market in Little Current, give you a quick tour of a pick your own flower farm, and learn about bees from a local beekeeper. Big shout out to Anne. We met her at the local farmers market in Little Current.
Okay, yeah. So there's strawberry. I didn't know whether you were working that.
Maybe I will try something that we haven't tried.
Chokecherry?
They look like blackberries.
They're a little blackberry that grows on a bush, quite a tall bush, and very bitter. You wouldn't eat it.
But when
It's sweeter when you put the sugar in with it. I don't. Yes, yeah, there is Shoutout. So it's a form of pectin, yes.
but not the powder.
No. Sorry.
Oh, what's your name?
Oh. Hi, I'm Ann Pyatt, yes, from Pike Lake Farms, Shoutout.
Okay,
Yes.
so if you're in Manitoulin, make sure to come visit Anne.
Yeah, we do strawberries and
Got great
raspberries.
stuff there.
Have you pick in June for strawberries and
Yes, I have.
you
grown out, yeah, we did. And I
Great,
made-
great.
First time I made that strawberry jam.
Yeah, turned out good.
It's good.
Aside from the local stores around Manitoulin Island, you can also find local jams and jellies in Maha's Garden Bistro in Mindemoya. In Tecoma, JD's Manitoulin Garden Center is not only the garden center on the island, they also have a small farmers market. You will find the vendors selling jellies and jams, local crafts, and even food. Boo! This is their scarecrow over here. These are the taller than me sunflowers. Yeah, you see, of course a lot of things are taller than me, but these ones are pretty tall, and I think it's similar to what I planted at home. And here's another color of sunflower. See, it's tinged with kind of maroon and yellow. They're here as well. Ooh. There. Nice, and down below it's bordered by some of little blue flowers. Anyone know what they're called? If you are enjoying this video, please like and share. Here are bigger sunflowers. There, it's a whole row of this giant sunflowers. From the flower farm, we made an unexpected stop in Tecoma. Big shout out and hello to Janice from Humble Bees Honey. She was so accommodating and friendly. She even gave us a lesson on bees.
So we'll just go to the side. Actually, we'll go to this side here. So this is kind of neat. I think this is cool. But so that in there you can just see them all working away. And then eventually when they get this filled up with honey, she's down in here. So there's a layer here. This layer here is called the queen excluder. She's got a bigger abdomen than the girls. These are all the female. There's a lot of good proteins in honey that help for healing wounds. And so when you pasteurize, you do destroy that. So I'm actually a vet and I work in Minnemoya, and we use honey for a lot of wounds. It's great, but it has to be unpasteurized honey. You can't use pasteurized honey for healing. Yeah, so it's really neat. Honey is really amazing. I mean, they've shown that in Egypt. They open up, Pharaoh's tombs, And the honey that's 3,000 years old, you could eat it today. Like it does not spoil, and that's amazing. So yeah, it's kind of cool.
Yeah. Miigwech, Manitoulin.